Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Okay, so students, this is a revisional video of class 4th, poem number 5, and the name of this poem is The Wind. Okay, so students, this is the name of this poem, that is Wind. And in this video we are going to explain all exercise of this chapter. So here students, exercise A, and exercise A is answer these questions. Okay, and now question number 1. So students, here question number 1 is, who is I in the poem? Describe two things that he sees the wind doing. Okay, so students, now answer of this question is, the poet is I in the poem. Puss and toss are two things that he sees the wind doing. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. The poet is I in the poem. Puss and toss are two things that he sees the wind doing. Okay, so students, now next question. Next question, that is question number 2, and question number 2 is, to what does the child compare the sound made by the wind? Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Question number 2, to what does the child compare the sound made by the wind? Okay, so students, now answer of this question is, the child compared the sound to loud song made by the wind. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Answer of this question, the child compared the sound to loud song made by the wind. Now next question, that is question number 3, and here question number 3 is, why does the poet feel that the wind is hiding? Why does the poet feel that the wind is hiding? Okay, so students, now answer of this question is, the poet tells that the wind is hiding because he cannot see it. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Answer of this question, the poet tells that the wind is hiding because he cannot see it. Okay, so students, now next question, that is question number 4, and here question number 4 is, which two words does the poet use to describe the wind in the third stanza? Question number 4 is, which two words does the poet use to describe the wind in the third stanza? Okay, so students, now now answer of this question, that is question number 4. The poet uses beast and child word to describe the wind. Okay, so students, once again listen carefully. Answer of this question, the poet uses beast and child word to describe the wind. Now next question, that is question number 5. Okay, so students, the question number 5 is, which two words does the poet use to describe the wind? Sorry students, once again listen carefully. Once again listen carefully. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, in your own words, write 3 questions that the poet asked the wind. Okay, so students, now answer of this question is, the 3 questions that the poet asked the wind, such as, is it strong and cold, and next question, is it young or old? Okay, so students, this is the answer of question number 5, and once again listen carefully. Answer of this question, the 3 questions that the poet asked the wind, such as, is it strong and cold, and next question, is it young or old? Okay, so students, now come to the next exercise, that is exercise C. And students, exercise C is, write any 2 words that come to your mind when you read these words. Okay, so students, you have to Write two words that come to your mind after reading these words that has given to you. Okay, so students, here first word is kites. First word is kites. So you will write here fly, sky. You will write here fly and sky. Okay, so students, this is the spelling of fly and sky. Now, next number, that is number 2, and here second word is grass, and in the given space you have to write green and land. Okay, so students, you have to write here land. First word is green. In the first space you have to write green, and in the second space you have to write land. Now, next number, that is number 3, and here third word is song. Okay, so students, in the first space you have to write sing, and in the second space you have to write sweet, lovely, melody. Okay, so students, you have to write here lovely. Now, next number, that is number 4, and here fourth word is filled. Fourth word is filled, and you have to write here big. Okay, big, open, farmer. Okay, so students, now next number. So students, now next number, that is number 5, and that's number 5, and here fifth word is tree, and in the given space you have to write in the first place strong and second place tall. So strong, this is the spelling of strong, and next tall, and here spelling of tall is tall. Now next number, that is number 6, and here sixth word is child, and in the first space you have to write naughty, naughty, this is the spelling of naughty, and next space you have to write cute. Okay, so students, I hope this is clear to you, and now come to the next exercise, that is exercise D. And exercise D is match these words with their meanings. Students, means to say that you have to match column A with column B. Okay, so you have to match correct meanings of these words that has given in column A. Now, students, here first word is wind, and you have to match wind with option E. Okay, so students, here this is the option E, that is a current of air. Now you have to match number 1 with option E. Now the sentence is wind or current of air. Now next number, that is number 2, and here second word is monsoon. Second word is monsoon. Okay, and you have to match with option C, that is a season of heavy rain. Okay, so students, you have to match number 2 with option C, that is a season of heavy rain. Now next number, that is number 3, and here third word is breeze, and you have to match third word is breeze, and you have to match third number with option D, that is a type of wind that blows gently and lightly. So students, you have to match number 3 with option D, a type of wind that blows gently and lightly. Okay, so students, now next number, that is number 4, and here fourth word is tornado. Fourth word is tornado, and you have to match fourth number with option A, that is a series of large ocean waves caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. Okay, so students, you have to match number 4 with option A. Now, next and last number, that is number 5. And fifth word is tsunami. Fifth word is tsunami. And you have to match number 5 with option B. That is a violent storm air. A violent storm where air moves in the shape of a funnel. Okay, this is the correct option that you have to match number 5 with the option B. Now, come to the next exercise. And next exercise is exercise F. And exercise F is write the short forms of these words. So students, in this exercise you have to write short form of these words, and other words we can say that contraction of these words. Okay, so students, here first word is cannot. First word is cannot. And the short form of cannot is can't. And we write like this. This is the spelling of can't that you have to write in first space. Now, next number, that is number 2. And here second word is are not. Second word is are not. And here you will write aren't. You will write aren't. Okay, this is the spelling of aren't. Now next number, that is number 3. And here third word is did not. Third word is did not. And in the given space you will write didn't. You will write didn't. This is the spelling of didn't. Okay, now students, next number, that is number 4 and fourth. And here fourth word is would not. Fourth word is would not. And you will write here wouldn't. You will write here wouldn't. And this is the spelling of wouldn't. Okay, now next number, that is number 5. And here fifth word is not. Fifth word is not. And in the given space you will write isn't. You will write isn't. This is the correct spelling of isn't. And this is the short form of is not. Now next number, that is number 6. And here sixth word is we are. Sixth word is we are. And the short form of we are is we apostrophe mark RE. Okay, this is the spelling of we are and short form of we are. Okay, now next number, that is number 7. And here seventh word is have not. Seventh word is have not. And this is the spelling of haven't. Okay, this is the spelling of, and this is the short form of have not, that we say haven't. Now next number, that is number 8. And eighth word is she is. Eighth word is she is. And in the given space you will write she apostrophe mark s. This is the spelling of she is. And now this is the contraction of she is. Now next number, that is number 9. And here ninth word is he will. Ninth word is he will. And in the given space you will write short form of he will like this. Okay, so students, now next and last number, that is number 10. And here 10th word is I am. And in the given space you have to write I am. And this is the short form of I am. And you have to write like this. This is the short form of I am. Now students, I hope this is clear to you, and you have to learn all exercise of this chapter, and you have to practice all exercise of this chapter in your PC copy, that is practice copy. Okay, so students, now thank you.